Ready to revolutionize your YouTube SEO? Let me introduce you to our powerful suite of 3 essential tools developed by Dev Solutions. Tool 1. Instant Video Analysis. With our first tool, you can instantly analyze any YouTube video. Simply paste any video or YouTube short URL to see a detailed breakdown of all its SEO data. Tool 2, Complete Channel Audit. Our second tool is designed to analyze an entire YouTube channel. Just paste the channel URL and the tool will begin to audit every single video, including shorts, presenting you with a comprehensive report in a clear table format. You can then easily download this report as an XLS or PDF file. Tool 3, the AI-powered game changer. This is a world-class AI designed to perfect your YouTube SEO and generate SEO contents for YouTube videos. To show you their power and consistency, I'll put them to the test. I'm pasting the same video URL into our first and third tools. And for the second tool, I'll use that video's channel link. Now allow me to introduce you deeply with our third tool, AI-powered YouTube SEO Analyzer and Content Generators. Just paste in any YouTube video link, select from any given AI tone you prefer, and submit it. Wait just a moment and watch the magic happen like this. As you can see, all 3 tools show the exact same SEO quality score for this video. Whether you're using the first, second, or third tool, the quality of our analysis is never compromised. Our AI content writer crafts 3 different titles, each with a unique corresponding description. It even generates a full list of tags based on comprehensive keyword research. For complete transparency, it also shows you the character count for each title, the word count for each description, and the tag frequency used, giving you a crystal clear understanding of the content strategy. But it doesn't stop there. Another AI acts as your personal SEO expert, automatically choosing the best generated content from the 3 options. Plus, for each title, the AI generates 2 unique prompts to inspire your thumbnail creation. You can use these prompts in any AI image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo, or even use the Microsoft AI Designer that's integrated with our tool.
You probably heard about A/B testing, but have you ever heard about ABC testing? Yes, here's the most magical part that distinguishes this YouTube Video SEO AI Analyzer tool from others.
With the Preview Best SEO Content button, you can see the top selected content and a preview of its potential SEO quality score, complete with helpful instructions. You can even manually preview the other generated versions or test your own content before you publish. Imagine the level of advancement, the world's first SEO tool that gives you the flexibility of live preview with ABC testing or even more. If you're not satisfied or want fresh ideas, simply press the Force Refresh button to generate entirely new copy. When you're ready to start over, the Reset button clears everything for your next video analysis. Think how much these tools are valuable when you can use these tools for any channel and for any videos as you want. These tools, especially our third tool, can single-handedly save hours and increase your world-class SEO productivity at least 12 times higher. And this is not a gimmick. That's a guarantee. Don't let your competitors leave you in the dust. It's time to claim your advantage.